Hello students, welcome back to math class. Now in today's class, let us solve some more problems of exercise number 1.3. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with the centers alternatively at A and B, starting with center A of radii 0.5 cm and 1 cm, 1.5 cm, 2 cm as shown in figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 30 consecutive semicircles? And the take the value of y is 22 by 7. Okay, let us start this problem now. See what is given in the problem. Write first. See here. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles. Can you see the figure there? Spiral is made up of successive semicircles. Means here one semicircle L1, here L2, here L3. This is L4. That is successive. 13 semicircles are there, children. Okay, so for that, what you have to find? See here. Alternatively, centers are given. Alternating centers are A. For A center, L1 is the semicircle. Okay. For B center, L2 is the semicircle. Then A again for L3. B is the center for L4. Like this it continues. Okay. Can you understand that figure? Okay. Now see what you have to find. It's a circle means one radius will be there or not. So semicircle also having the radius. So what is the radius given? Here see, first radius given is 0.5 cm. Okay, then 1 cm, then 1.5, then 2 cm as shown in the figure. So in the figure you have to see here, from the center, if I take here. Okay, so for the center A is the center, this is called the radius, right? Radius is how much given? 0.5 centimeter, right? Then for the second successive spiral, okay, B is the center. So here to here distance is how much? That is the radius, 1 centimeter. So A to this semicircle L1. For that, A is the center. The radius is 0.5 centimeter. Okay, if B is the center, then for this spiral, radius is 1 centimeter. Like that, so here 0.5, here fully 1 centimeter, then here to here 1.5 centimeter. Like this it continues. Okay, so radius is R1, R2, R3. Centers are different, right? So the first center is A, second center is B. So for this semicircle, center is A, radius is 0.5 centimeter. From here to here, then it is 1.5 centimeter. Center to here. Okay, so this is 1.5 centimeter. Like this it continues, children. Okay, it continues. So now, what you have to write? First, semicircle. Before learning semicircle, you should know about circles. What is a circle? You see, if there is a circle like this, then this is full length of the circle. What we call this length of the circle? It is called as circumference, right? Circumference of the circle. This is called circumference of the circle. Okay. Then, if I do its half, okay, with center A here, this becomes a semicircle. Semicircle also is called as semi-circumference. Semi-circumference. Okay. Now, do you know the formula of circumference of a circle? That means full length of the circle. Length of the circle is how much? 2 pi r. Okay. Then what is semi-circumference? It's half of that, right? So can we written like this? 2 pi r by 2. Okay. Half of this circumference is semi-circumference. So 2 and 2 will cut, means what is the half of that? 2 pi r. It is nothing but pi r. Right? So this is the length of the first semicircle. Okay, so what is the length of the first semicircle? What we can write? So length 1, L1 is the first semicircle, right? What is the formula of a length of a semicircle? That is nothing but semicircumference. What is that? Pi R1. Okay, so then pi means you know pi. Let us write pi as is. Then R is taken as what is the radius from A to first semicircle, that is 0.5. Okay, so if you multiply what will become 0.5 into pi, 0.5 pi. Okay, then length of second semicircle L2 is the center there. From here to here distance is 1 centimeter. Okay, so the pi into radius number 2, radius pi R2, pi right as is. Okay, R2 is radius number 2. So radius number 2 is 1. 1 into pi is pi itself. Then third length. Okay, that is pi R3. Pi R3 written as pi into R3. R3 is radius number 3. How much is it? 1.5 centimeter. 1.5. So this is 1.5 into pi. 1.5 pi. Then fourth circle, like this, continuously pi R4. Because radius also given there. So that pi into 2.0 means how much? 2 centimeter. Okay. So 2 into pi, 2 pi. So this is the sequence I am getting now. Alright. So whether it is an AB or not, let us see now. Okay. So here the first term is 0.5 pi. The second term is pi. Third term is 1.5 pi. Fourth term is 2 pi. Like this. How many semicircles? Successive semicircles, how many are there, right? 13 semicircles are there. That means what is the total length of that such spiral made up of 13 semicircles you have to find out. So 13 terms are there in that. Right? 13 terms. What is the sum of that 13 terms? That you have to find out. Total means sum you have to find. Okay. So now totally how many terms are there? 13 terms. 13 terms you have to find. Okay. So now let us see what is given in the problem. A is 0.5 pi. What is the common difference? That is nothing but second term minus first term. Pi minus 0.5 pi. Okay, so 1 pi minus 0.5 pi. How much pi is common in both, right? Take it out. 1 minus 0.5. Outside pi you get because 1 minus 0.5 into pi. Pi is a common here. Okay, so 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. Pi into pi. So what is the common difference? 0.5 pi. You see next one. 1.5 minus 1, that is 0.5. 2 minus 1.5 is 0.5, right? And the common difference is same. Okay, then successive, how many semicircles are there? 13. What is that? N is equal to 13. Then what you have to find out? What is the total length of the 13 such semicircles? Okay, so what you have to find out is S13. You have to find out. What is the formula of S13? S13 means Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, Sn is how much? S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 2 into a. A is how much? 0.5 pi. 0.5 pi plus n 13 minus 1. Okay, then into d. D is 0.5 pi. Now 13 by 2 can't divide as it is, right? Into, so 0.5 into 2. By 2 is 10. And in the sense, point afterwards one place. What is that? 1.0 or 1 pi. Okay, plus 1 pi or pi. Then 30 minus 1, 12. 12 into 0.5 pi. What is the answer? 13 by 2, right? As it is. Then pi right plus 12 5s are 60. 60 in the sense 60. Point after one place afterwards point. What is the answer? 6.0 means 6 itself. So what is the answer here? 6 pi. Okay. So then what you have to do? 6 pi plus 1 pi. You can add because these are like terms can be added. So what is the answer? 13 by 2 into 6 pi plus pi. 7 pi. Okay. 7 pi. Then you know the value of pi, right? 22 by 7. Can I apply it? So it is nothing but 13 by 2, yes 13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 7 into pi is how much? 22 by 7. 22 by 7. So we will get cancel and go here. 2 1s are 2 11s are. Okay? 7 1s are 7 1s are. Now who is remaining? 13 into 11. Okay, 13 into 11 is how much? 13 into 11. 13 into 11. 11 3s are 33, 3 carry. 11 1s are 11, 12, 13, 14. So 143. What is the final answer? 143. Okay, so what you have to write then? Therefore, the total length of the such spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircle is 143. Okay, so that's all about this problem. Let us move to next problem now. Now see the next problem, 19th problem. See, 200 blocks are stacked in the following manner. Means wooden blocks children. Okay, so 200 blocks are there. Stacked means one upon the other kept. Okay, so in the following manner, like this. 20 blocks in the bottom row. In the first row, they will stack one upon the other, right? So on the bottom row, 20 blocks are there. Then 19 in the next row and 18 in the next to it. Okay, in how many rows are 200 blocks placed and how many blocks are in the top row? So both you have to find out. Two things we have to find out there. So totally how many blocks are there children? So there are 200 blocks in the sense block like this if you write. Picture is there in your textbook, you can understand it. So 200 total blocks are there. Okay, so how they stacked, you know? First, all 200 in one place cannot put. No, they have to stack them. Stack, how they stacked them? Like this. One row, 20 blocks. Okay, second row, 19 blocks. Third row, 18 blocks. Like this, how many rows? One question is there again. How many rows? You have to see here. How many rows are 20 blocks placed? How many rows? This 200 blocks to put. How many rows are needed? Okay, number of rows you have to find out. Then in the top row, how many blocks are there? Two questions you have to find. In the top row, how many blocks are there in the top row? Like this, if you go to the top row, how many blocks are there? You have to find out. Is it okay? It is start now. Okay. So see here, 200 blocks are stacked means what is the total number of blocks? That is 200. Called as N. 200 blocks are there. Okay. So then how they stacked? How they arranged? 20 blocks in the bottom, 20 in the bottom row, then 19. The next row, then 18 the next row, like this. Final row, how many are there? That you have to find out. In that particular row, how many blocks are there? Both you have to find out. So what is given and what they ask given. So Sn is given. Then sequence is like this, arithmetic progression itself. So A is 20, D is 90 minus 20 is equal to how much? 90 minus 20 minus 1. Okay. Then Sn means you don't know. Sn is equal to 200. You know that, right? You have to find out n number of rows. How many are there in that? Then in the top row, how many logs are there? Top row means the last term, children. Top row means last term. Last term is called as AN. Both you have to find out. Now how to do this? Using Sn formula, right? So Sn formula, put Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So then Sn is 200. N is, don't know, n by 2 into 2a, 2 into a, 2 into 20 plus n, don't know, n minus 1 into d minus 1. Okay, 90 minus 20 is minus 1. So now what you have to do? Just cross it here. 200 into 2, 400 is equal to n into 22 40 plus minus 1 into n minus n. Minus 1 into n minus n is what you write, minus n here. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 1 ones are 1, minus to minus plus. Okay, so there afterwards what you have to do? 400 write as it is, n write as it is. 40 plus 1, 41 minus n. Okay, then what is the answer? 400 write as it is equal to 41 into n, 41 n minus n into n square. Okay, this forms a quadratic equation. Okay, what is the standard form of a quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So everything bring it to same side. So first n square bring here, negative n square comes here, it will become positive n square, plus 41 coming here, minus 41n, then 400 is already here, is equal to 0. There afterwards, say quadratic equation, you have to do factorization. What is the factor? Let us see what is the factor of this. Okay, multiplied means 400. Multiplied means 400. Add means minus 41. Okay, so then which table is there? 400 comes 400. 2 zeros are 2 hundreds are 2 50s are 2 25s are 5 5s are 5 ones. Just multiply and see which one comes there. So just here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay, 5 5s are 25. 16 into 25. Let us see. 16 into 25 is 400. But if you subtract or if you add, will you get 41 there? Yes, 5 plus 6, 11. 1. Yes, right. Correct? So what you can understand then? What are the factors of this? 16 into 25. Okay, so here also 16 and 25. So children, two smaller number, answer gets bigger means what you have to do? Both will be minus 11. So minus 25 minus 16 is minus 41. Okay, so then minus 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 plus 16 into 25 is nothing but 400. Now what are the factors of this 16 and 25? Can I write here? Okay, so 1n square minus 16n minus 25n plus 400 is equal to 0. So then, who is common in both n square and n? N is common. Take it out. N minus 16 inside. Okay, so then minus 25 over 400 comes or not? Yes. So it is nothing but 16 now. 25 outside n. Plus minus into plus minus 16 is equal to 0. So then what is the value of n? N minus 25 is equal to 0. And also n minus 16 is equal to 0. So then n is equal to 25. Here n is equal to 16. Till here n value was negative 1, positive used to come. But here both the n values are positive itself. Then which is the correct answer? What are the number of rows there? 25 rows or 16 rows? Let us see. So two answers also, n only, n we got, but two answers got. Now which is the correct answer to check? You have to find the value of an. So an, what is the an formula? An is equal to, okay, there either 16 rows are there or 25 rows are there. So which is the correct answer to check? You have to put that here. Okay, so an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an I don't know. An means the last row. Okay, that I don't know. Here a is 20 plus n is, once you have to put 25. Okay, so a 25. 25 minus 1 into d is minus 1. So 20 plus 25 minus 1 is 24. 24 into minus 1. So 20 plus into minus 24 ones are 24. So what is the answer? A25 is coming negative. That means logs number cannot be negative, children. The top row, 25th row, negative answer coming. Is it possible to stack negative number of logs there? So it is not possible. Not possible. Okay. So then we have to find out for 16. N is equal to 16. Okay. So here an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is how much? A 16. So a is 20 plus 16 minus 1 15. 16 minus 1 into d is minus 1. So 20 plus 16 minus 1 is 15 into minus 1. So what is the answer? 20. Plus into minus 15 ones are 15. So if I subtract, what is the answer? 20 minus 15 is 5. So in the 16th row, how many logs can arrange? 5. Here 25th row, negative logs can be arranged. So this is not the answer. It is the right answer. 16th row, how many logs they have to fix? 5. Okay, so two questions are there. In how many rows are 200 logs placed? 200 logs placed. You are right there. 200 logs. 200 logs they have to place. As a 16 rows. And how many logs are there in the top row? So logs are in the top row. In the top row is 5. Okay, 16 rows are there, 5 logs are in the top row. Okay, that's all about this problem. Let us move to next problem now. Now see the next problem. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at a starting point which is 5 meters from the first potato. 5 meters from the first potato. Okay, then the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato and runs back with it, drops it in the bucket, runs back to pick the bucket to drop it in the bin, and she continues like this. Now, what is the total distance the competitor has to run? Okay, so what is the question? The question is little lengthy, but it's very easily you can do this method. Okay, so just see here. One bucket is there which is placed in a straight line. Okay, so now what happens? This is the starting point. Okay, now we played in a smaller our childhood days that potato race, right? So here also potato race, how to place here? Starting point is here. Okay, from here one potato is kept 5 meters apart. Like that 10 potatoes are kept like this 3 meters apart. See, each time 3 meters go on increasing. Only first one is 5 meters, rest all 3 meters is continuous like this. Is it okay? So now what happens? What that girl should do? She should start from the starting point. Okay, starting point here from the bucket. She has to pick the first potato. Then she has to run back. Okay, so 5 meters she has to run to take the potato. Then she has to come back and put that potato in this bucket. Okay, that means 5 meters while going and 5 meters while coming back. Right? Then in the next round, so she has to run from starting again. Again she has to run how much? 5 plus 3. 8 meters she has to run. Pick the potato. Then she has to come back. Put the potato in the bucket. Again she has to run like this. 5 plus 3 plus 3. Then how much? 11. Again after picking the potato she has to come back and put it in the bucket. So this is the race. Got it? So now how to write the sequence for this? Let us see here. Starting point is from the bucket. So what is the distance from here to here? It is 5 meters. Okay. So after moving there, picking the potato and putting into the bucket. So twice she has to come back, go and coming back once again. So it is 2 rounds. Once 5 means another time again 5. So 5 plus 5 how much? 10. 10 meters she has to move, right? To pick the first potato. Second potato like that. From here to here she has to move. So 5 plus 3. 8. Okay, again 8 meters she has to come back to put the potato. So then 8 plus 8, 16. Then again the third round, again same. Here 5 plus 3 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 she has to go pick the potato and again 11 meters she has to come back. Right. So 11 plus 11 how much? 22. Like this it continues till she has to pick the 10 potatoes and she has to put in the bucket. Okay. So how many times? So it is all double time. Correct? So now going, coming back. Going, coming back. Like that. The situation is this. Okay. Now what is the first term? Can we understand? So first time she is moving 5 meters, then she is coming back. Right. So it is how much meter? 10 meters. So how to write this? So right there, the distance traveled by the competitor. The distance traveled by the competitor. Okay, to pick the first potato, and run back and drop it in bucket. Like this the situation, correct Manjulan? Then if she moves first time, what is the distance? For the first potato. She has to move 5 meters and coming back 5 meters. So what is that? 2 into 5. Okay, so 5 into 2. 5 into 2. It is 10 meters. Then the second potato should be the distance she travels is 8 into 2. That is 16. For the third potato, Again 11. 5 plus 3 plus 3. 11 into 2. That is 22. Like this it continues, children. Well, how many potatoes are there? Totally there are 10 potatoes. Total potatoes 10 are there. So how many times she has to run here? So what is the 10 times potato to pick? What is the total distance she is moving? We have to find out. Okay, so total distance in the sense I got one sequence here. What is our sequence here? 10, then 16, then 22. Like that, how many terms? 10 terms. These 10 potatoes are there. Okay, so what is the total distance she has to move? That you have to find out. Okay, so then first term is already known. That is 10. Then the common difference is 16 minus 10. That is 6. Then 22 minus 16, 6, right? Then n is 10. 10 potatoes are there. Then what is the total distance she has to move to pick the 10 potatoes? Okay, so that you have to find out. So then what is the formula? Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn means S10. S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into a. A is how much? 10. Okay, plus n 10 minus 1 into d is 6. So then 2 ones are 2 fives are. 5 by 1 is 5 itself. Then 2 tens are 20. 10 minus 1 9. 9 into 6. Okay. 5 into 20 plus 9 6 are 54. Then 5 into 54 plus 20 4 74. Okay. Then multiply. 5 into 5 4s are 22 carry. 5 7s are 35, 36, 37. What is the total distance she has to move to pick the 10 potatoes? That is nothing but 317. So what is the answer? Final answer is, therefore the total distance the competitor has to run. How much? Therefore the total distance is equal to 370 meter. Okay, this is about the last problem. So from this we come to an end of arithmetic progression. In next class let us start our new chapter, that is nothing but triangles. Till then, take care. Thank you.